we're moving on to the rear bumper slats, or whatever, extensions, whatever you want to call these things.
Yeah. So there are 3 compression clips there that Tim is removing. That should allow us to pull out that black piece there, trim piece, and then we should be able to just stick our hand back there and tighten the bolts when it comes time to do it.
Same thing with this side here. So we removed those plastic trim pieces, and Tim is test fitting. He's already pre-drilled the skirt because they did not come pre-drilled. These do not line up with the OEM holes that are there, but it's okay. We're just going to drill through the bumper anyway. So to remove that piece that we just took off on both sides, let's see down here. There's 3 clips on the bottom, 2 on the insides, this one here and that one there, and then there's a couple on the wheel well. So I think it was 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 total.
I think it was 8.
8?
3,
8
2,
clips.
2. No, yeah, 7.
7. Hold this light. Test fit slash pre-drill the bumper. We get this where we want it.
Good.
Yep.
Got the passenger side on. Fitment's amazing, just like the other side. There we go. It's really nice. So now we've just got side skirts to do, which we need to figure out how to do. Yeah, looking good. Now we can actually see what this looks like in the sunlight. Again, we've only got the front lip on and the rear bumper skirts. $2,500 carbon. Cool, now we're gonna jack up the side of the car, I think, and then take the side skirt off and start mounting on that.
Just to tell me that I haven't changed, girl, I need that from you. I'm getting money, just take care of me, girl. I'm spending time, just take care of me right now. I'm getting money, just take care of me, girl. Cause you'll be tired of taking care of me right now. I shouldn't be much longer, but you shouldn't have to wait. Can't lose you, I can't help it. I'm so sorry, I'm so
So, got the side skirt extension on. Let's see if Tim can do this by himself. Got all those clips to line up. Should be pretty easy, I think. Wow. Super easy. Maybe I should buy a Subaru. Wow. Those clips all went right in nicely. Just got to do the bottom 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and one in the back, 6.
That side's done.
And that side's complete. And he's got these little wings on the back of these things, so it's ready for takeoff now. Close up. Again, perfect. Here's how it is with this whole side. The rear extension, side skirt extension. So this is the driver's side. Front lip. On to the passenger side. Same process. Pretty easy.
Okay, here's the other side.
Passenger side. Tim's making sure we got all the clips still.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
There. Here's what these screws look like from the back side. See there, put the screw through with the washer, locking nut, or locking washer, and then the nut. So did that all the way down the line. Super easy. Nice view of the skirt. Fitment, awesome. Really impressed, actually. As you can see, that was super easy to put back on. Clips go right in. Tim's just getting the bottom couple compression clips there. And then we'll be wrapped up. Wipe it off, clean it up. Good to go. Alright, all done. Just need to wipe the fingerprints off, but we'll recap. It's a STi, fully built, 600 horsepower, something like that. And we just installed a full Seibon lip kit. Fitment awesome. Front lip, side skirt extensions, rear bumper extensions. And they were custom painted, candy red. Everything on the car is candy red. The inside of the wheels, lug nuts, accents in the headlights. Tim's got some good attention to detail here. Red intercooler, all the red piping under the hood. Just nice little subtle accents of red. STi badge. Everything is modified on this thing. Interior even. Everything matches the red. Shift knob. Carbon fiber interior trim. Carbon draped all over the place. Love it. That's a wrap. Alright guys, that about does it for today's video. I know it was not BMW content this time, but I do have friends that do have other types of cars, and so it's kind of cool, kind of different to work on a different car. Tim and I have been friends for a long time. I'm friends with his older brother, and so Timmy and I have worked on lots of cars together over the years, and so if you have questions about his car, any of his modifications, anything like that, please let me know. I will definitely relay those messages to him. He does not have Instagram or anything like that, so if you do have questions, leave them in the comments below, and I will run those by him and get back to you guys. So other than that, it's been a long day. It was Memorial Day weekend, and so it's pretty hot outside. I'm ready for a shower. We'll continue the BMW modifications and stuff. I've got a couple things sitting around that I need to install and do, so be on the lookout for those, but we'll see you in the next video. Thanks.